Hello, David. Hi, Thomas. Where were you last night around 9 p.m.? Last night, I was at home. Where would I go at that time? Really? I thought you were at the library. I saw you there. No way. I was at home watching the TV with my brother. But I saw you clearly. I was going to call out to you, but you left. Maybe you mistook me for someone else. Are you sure you were not at the library last night? Of course, I'm sure. I quickly forgot, but I can remember when I did in such a short time. I don't know. Maybe I was wrong. You usually are. My body shape is quite common, and it was dark at that night. Maybe you were wrong. Yeah, maybe. You are right. David, what are you doing now? I'm studying for the test tomorrow. You are so hardworking. No, Thomas, it's because I don't understand. It's so hard. What's that? This is exercise. I didn't understand this lesson because I was sick that day. But I remember this exercise. Can you help me with this? I'm waiting for my friend. I can help you a little while he comes. That's great. It's not too difficult. You just need to understand its examples. I will explain the examples first. Thank you. Don't mention it.